wave or something?
on.
Go on.
What? Is it on? Is it on?
Look up red in the corner. See red dot. We've got a mesh.
This is going to be right and rubbishy, this, but doesn't. What? That's what's going now. I'll pan out from Jennifer. And across here. Yes, there's Mom. Da-da. How much was this then? £6.50. Is that how much it cost you?
Owner manual.
You want that right out, Dad?
No.
Hello.
I'll put you on. I'll put you on. You went and picked it up on the thing. The funny event was on the wheels. You know these wee plastic slides?
Yeah.
Sliding the back. Dead fast and they go flying off the end and land on top of the grass.
The Jamie's got... I don't know where to press it. You
Feel alright if you put your point now.
Here he comes. Here he comes. See? He's going to wait. He's waiting. He's going to sleep. He's thirsty.
But you need to carry around. Is it not very big that you have to carry around?
That's it. What you've got in your hand.
Is there a cover for this or?
No.
Hello.
But there's no way I'm carrying that bag about with me on holiday. That's what we've got strapped on it.
Uh-huh.
I suppose I could make a wee pouch for it.
Yeah.
Hey, Dad.
I think
It's
that's
okay as long as it's
That.
Okay. Okay, Jennifer. Are you going to be below the table? Oh, that's right. Where's Daddy? Have your banana. Banana.
Right here? Leave it. It's on the floor.
Scott goes away to Holland tomorrow.
Uh-huh. Is that a course?
For a week. You're on record. Raz, I've got you on Zoom. That's it, very good. Hello, Jennifer. Hello, darling. Hello. Where's Grandad? Jennifer. Where's Grandad? Wave to Grandad.
Hello.
What's he doing? I can tell you. Jennifer. Hello. Well done.
Eh?
That's it. That's a clever girl. That's a clever girl. crying?
No, you just need to move out the way, and that's it. Look, look. Bye-bye. All gone. Where's Dad? Well, don't keep twirling round about.
Jennifer.
Danny's the other side.
Jennifer. Hello. Oh, you helping Grandad? Hmm? I wouldn't bother feeding them though.